Hello everyone, welcome to my class, Creating a Game App. Alright, in this we've created in Haiku Learning. I'm just going to take you through a few of the things that I've used and give you some explanations as to why I've used them. So the first thing I started off with is a before the class starts. Here, students are asked to join in a discussion forum, tell me a little about themselves so they can get to know each other, what their favorite app or game is. Here I've also created a webinar. This is going to just explain the basics of things, what we'll be doing, and I put it before the class starts so that they have time to ask any questions before anything starts. Some software needs here. These are some of the sites that will be used just to make sure that they have Construct 2. In the syllabus it does say the free version is okay, and Paint.net, which comes standard on most computers. I have a YouTube video, which I've used YouTube a lot in this, and a discussion on the video itself. This discussion will actually come back, and at the end the students have read them. Alright, here we go, about the class. Now this class is about creating a game app in Construct 2, because everyone can agree gaming is fun. Anyone who's ever played a game has noticed this guy right here, and it's just so exciting. So this is even a game that they can create while they're even there. So again, here's a YouTube video. Sadly, my Construct 2 is on my Windows PC, and that went bad, as well as all my tutorials. So I relied heavily on YouTube. Okay, and after watching the video, and they can respond in a discussion forum. Over here we have the syllabus, which is just basic. They can access syllabus, and a little note that discussion forums, again reiterating that they are important. And here we go. Here's our breakdown of our course, broken down into 4 units. Unit 1, 2, 3, and 4. Basics of game app design, which I go into the basics. The elements of Construct 2, which is the program software we'll be using. And then the basics of building the actual gaming app. Finalizing and testing your game is a unit, but I didn't include it here so that as not to get confused. Okay, so I'll go through a few of these briefly. Here's the basic. Again, we have a quick slideshow that I've created, as well as YouTube videos. This one talks about how to game design. Here we have a planning guide, an assignment that the students have. They will have a combination of assignments, discussion forums, and the final project. And that's what they'll be graded on. Skipping over to where we have the grades. I tried different things with assessment. They start off with a level of 0. Tried to gamify this. And each assignment that they've complete is broken down, and they get points. And the more points they gain, the higher up the levels they go. And they have little ranks here as well. And that coordinates with the grade at the end. This way, students can kind of take things just one step at a time. And as you'll see again, here's the discussion forum, the assignments, and the final project. I also have some related resources. I have some textbooks just in case. I'm not requiring the textbooks, but they are optional but highly recommended. And some other websites that would be very helpful as a guide to either game design or creating a game app in Construct 2. Because gaming is fun. I mean, really, who doesn't want to beat this guy laughing up? Alright, so that is the course. If you are a student in this course, you would be able to use this access here to view all of the discussion forums that are available, as well as your assignments. Again, most of this is graded on discussion forums and assignments, so there were no tests. So this way they learned on skill. Okay, thank you so much for visiting. I'll attach this to my slideshow. Have a great night.